Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss numerical on polar coordinate system, which is r theta system. The numerical is the rocket is fired vertically and tracked by a radar. So here is radar and this rocket is tracked by a radar. When theta is 60 degree, r radial distance is 9 kilometers, r double dot, which is acceleration, is 21 meter per second square, and theta dot, which is velocity, is 0.02 radian per second. Determine magnitude of velocity and acceleration of the rocket and also find theta double dot. Now this sketch is given to us. Now look, r is 9 kilometers. So convert this 9 kilometer into meter, so it will be 9000 meters. Next, r double dot, which is 21 meter per second square. Theta is 60 degree. Now always theta must be in radians. So how to convert 60 degree into radians? Multiply this 60 by pi by 180. So theta in radians will be pi by 3 radians. Theta dot is 0.02 radian per second. Now what we will do, we will resolve this velocity and we will find its component along this r-axis and theta axis. So in my first video related to r theta system, I have explained that r-axis is always along position vector, so you have to extend this r line, while theta axis is perpendicular to this r axis. So I have drawn simple sketch over here. So this is my r axis and this is my theta axis. So these two are positive axis. Now look, this theta is 60 degree. Okay, it is with respect to horizontal. So if I plot horizontal line over here, so this r making angle of 60 degree with horizontal. So I have shown same over here. So r is making angle of 60 degree with horizontal, but I want angle of velocity with respect to radial axis. So what will be that angle? Look, this is total 90 degree and this is 60 degree. So 90 minus 60. So angle of velocity with respect to radial axis will be 30 degree. Now I have to resolve this velocity along this r axis and along this theta axis. So this is Vr and this is V theta. Now what is Vr? Vr is V cos theta, where theta is now 30 degree, and this is r dot. What is V theta? V theta is V sin theta, which is r into theta dot. We have seen these formulas in my first videos. Now consider first equation, r dot is V cos theta. So r dot equals to V cos 30. So let us say this as equation number 1. Now second one is r into theta dot equals to V sin theta. So r into theta dot equals to V sin 30. Now if I use this equation number 1, I am not knowing value of r dot to get value of V. But if I use second equation, I know value of r, I know value of theta, so theta dot and value of theta. So if you substitute these values, r is 9000, theta dot is 0.02 equals to V sin 30. So from this you will get velocity as 360 meter per second. So after getting this velocity, if you substitute this value in equation number 1, I will get r dot. Okay, so substitute this value in equation number 1. So r dot equals to V cos 30 equals to 360 into cos 30. So r dot will be 311.77 meter per second. Now similar to velocity, again I have to resolve acceleration along r and theta axis. So already we have seen how this angle 30 degree came. So total angle we know it is 60 degree. So 90 minus 60 will give you 30 degree. So similarly, if you resolve this acceleration along r and theta axis, so your ar is a cos theta and ar equals to a cos 30. Now similarly, a theta is a sin theta, where theta is now 30 degree. So we know AR is also R double dot minus R theta dot square. Okay, so equate this side to A cos theta. So my equation reduces to R double dot minus R theta dot square equals to A cos 30. Now similar to this, my second equation will reduce to, now look, I know A theta equals to 2 R dot theta dot plus R theta double dot. So equate this side of equation to A sin 30. So equation will reduce to 2 R dot theta dot plus R theta double dot equals to A sin 30. Now use this equation number 5. I know value of R double dot, R, theta dot and angle. So if you substitute all these values from this equation, you will get value of acceleration. Now substitute this value of acceleration in equation number 6. So after substituting this value, so look, 2 R dot theta dot, already we have calculated this R dot in previous part. We know value of all these terms. Now if you substitute all these terms, theta double dot comes to be minus 2.69 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian per second square. So by this way you can solve the numerical. Hope you have understood. Thank you.